Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Bybit in 2025. If you're holding USDT on the Ton blockchain and want to move it to Bybit for trading or withdrawals, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to stay safe in the crypto world. First things first, make sure you have the Tonkeeper app installed on your device and a verified Bybit account ready to go. You'll need some USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Tonkeeper wallet and navigate to the USDT asset. This is usually found in your wallet dashboard. Tap on it to view your balance. Step 2. Look for the Send or Transfer option. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. But before you do that, hop over to Bybit. Log into your Bybit account, go to the Deposit section, and select USDT. Make sure to choose the Ton network. Since Tonkeeper is on the Ton blockchain, this is crucial to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Copy the deposit address from Bybit. It's that long string of characters, double-check it to prevent errors. Back in Tonkeeper, paste this address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit Send or Confirm in Tonkeeper. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a second to verify everything. Once sent, the transaction will go through the Ton network. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee and monitor your Bybit account for the deposit to appear. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified. In 2025, blockchain tech is faster, but errors can still happen. If you run into issues, check transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Tonviewer. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Bybit. It's simple once you know the steps, and now you're all set to manage your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.